This sequence is a special sequence. It's actually called an arithmetic sequence, also known as an evenly spaced set. And what that means is that all of the terms in the set are evenly spaced. Specifically, they told us that each term is 2 more than the preceding term. So it's a sequence that goes up by 2 each time, from term to term. They want us to find the 4th term, and glancing at the statements, I think I'll start with statement 2, because if I know the first term, in this case they tell us the first term is 2, I could figure out what the 4th term is. Now, if you're confident about that, you could stop there and say that statement 2 is sufficient on its own. But if you want, you could also just calculate it. It won't take long. The first term is 2, the second term would be 4, the third term is 6, the fourth term is 8. So statement 2 is sufficient on its own. We can go ahead and eliminate the answer choices that claim that statement 2 is not sufficient on its own. So A, C, E, all gone. This is down to just 2 answer choices now, B or D. Now statement 1 tells us the value of the very last term in the sequence. So I could maybe start subtracting 2 over and over again to get all the way back to the 4th term. The problem is I don't know how many times I have to subtract 2 because I don't know how long the sequence is. When they say the last term, that's a very vague thing to say for a sequence whose length we don't know. Is the last term the 10th term, or is the last term the 1,000,000th term? I have no idea, and that's why statement 1 is not sufficient on its own, and the correct answer is B. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.